Today, I'll show you how to buy dividend stocks on Trading 212. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, buying dividend stocks can be a great way to build a passive income stream. Trading 212 makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app. If you haven't already, it's available on both iOS and Android devices. Once you're in, look for the search section. This is where you'll find all available stocks and instruments you can invest in. Next, you'll want to choose a dividend stock. Dividend stocks are shares in a company that distribute a portion of earnings back to shareholders. Companies like BP are popular choices, but feel free to pick any company that interests you. Just type the name of the company into the search bar and select it from the list. After selecting your stock, it's important to take a moment to check the dividend yield. You'll find this information in the key stats section of the stock page. The dividend yield is a financial ratio that shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its share price. Knowing this will help you understand the potential return on your investment. Once you've decided on a stock, tap on the buy button. This will prompt you to enter the amount you wish to invest. It's a good idea to consider how much of your portfolio you want to allocate to dividend stocks and this particular stock in general. Enter your desired investment amount and then tap Review Order. This gives you a chance to double-check all the details before finalizing the purchase. Finally, confirm the purchase to complete your investment. Upon confirmation, the stock is added to your portfolio and you are now a shareholder in the company. You'll start receiving dividends according to the company's payout schedule. And there you have it. That's how you buy dividend stocks on Trading 212. Remember, investing in dividend stocks can be a smart way to earn income, but it's always important to conduct thorough research and consider your investment strategy before making any decisions. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of the video if you need a refresher. Happy investing!